Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how you can prepare your resume, what should be the format, what should be the sequence of content, and what point you should focus more on resume. Because from last few weeks I've been flooded with so many resume on my Telegram group. Many students are asking me, ma'am, whether my resume format is correct or not, what point I should add, what point I should avoid, and all that stuff. And I have edited so many resume, including the format and the content. So today I came up with this video so that I can help you out how you can prepare your resume, what should be the good format of resume, what point you should avoid in a resume, and what is the sequence of content in a resume, and what point you should focus on in your resume. Let's get started. Before starting, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I'm a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in CTS. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. On this channel, you'll find so many informative videos related to companies' recruitment process, their previous year question paper, interview guideline, and all that stuff. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group if you haven't joined it, guys, please go ahead and join the Telegram group. That's a private Telegram group. On that Telegram group, you'll find companies, material, the previous year question paper, and all that stuff that is free of cost. Now, for that, you need to DM me on Instagram or you can mail me. I'll provide you the link of my Telegram group. You can join from there. So let's start with today's session, how your resume for the interview should look like and what should be the format. Format I'll share at the end. Before format, I'll tell you what you should add in your resume. I have made a point on the sequence point of what you should have the point in your resume. Let's get started. So first start with your picture. With your picture, your name, your phone number, your email ID. Next point is objective. After your details about that phone number and all that stuff, you need to write your objective. Second point is objective. Third point is your education details. Education detail includes your 10th, 12th and college. What should be the sequence? Your college first, then your 12th and then 10th. Present to past. That will be the sequence of education detail. The third point is computer proficiency. Now, after your education detail, you need to add computer proficiency. In that, you will be covering the languages you are aware of, the operating system, framework, IDE, database, cloud services, and tools. You can add whatever you know, the operating system, like Windows, Linux, whatever you have worked on, the framework which you have used for your application development or for any languages, the IDE you have used for any languages, the database like SQL, MySQL, whatever database you have used. That point, cloud services, if you are aware of that, you can add that. The tools like Microsoft tools and all this, if you are aware of any tools, you can add that in tool section. So this was all about your computer proficiency. Now the fifth point is area of interest. If you have something area of interest or field of interest, you can add there, or that is an optional. If you don't want to add, you can you don't need to add. It's an optional. Now the project, if you have worked on any project, at least 2 projects you should mention, and at most 4. Not if you have worked on so many projects, then top 4 projects you can add, or top 3 projects, that's fine. Now next point is certification. This is, I'm talking about the sequence. Project, certification, then achievement. Achievement or co-curriculum, you can add your co-curriculum activities in achievements, or you can add your achievements if you have any. After that achievement, you need to add the point hobbies. Hobbies, you can add whatever hobbies you have. Then the personal detail. In that personal detail, you'll be mentioning your personal detail, your name, date of birth, etc. So this is all about the sequence of your resume. It should be the sequence of your resume. So now what is the important point you should focus, guys? Now guys, if you are mentioning about your project, then you should not write your project name and the duration of the project. No, it's not like that. You need to add the project name with the duration, and then on the second line, at least 2 lines of description of your project. What technologies you have used in your project, what is actually what your project tells about. It's a brief introduction of your project, at least 2 to 3 lines of your project description. 2 lines is enough. What was the role of in your project? That you can mention roles and responsibility inside that project. And the same second project also, name of the project, duration, and 2-3 line of the description of that project, the technologies and all that stuff. So the main focus area is the project and your computer proficiency. In computer proficiency, you have to add each and every computer languages and all that stuff. If you are beginner in some languages, within bracket you can write beginner, within bracket you can write intermediate in some languages. That you can mention if you are a beginner or if you have doubt on some languages and all that stuff. If you know many languages, that's fine, but you can mention whether you are a beginner or whether you are an intermediate in that language. So it will be easier for the interviewer to identify and what level of question he should ask. So it's all about your resume. Hope it is clear now. I'll provide you the format now, so you can check that how your your resume should look like. If you like this video, please press thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.